Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage country inspired home decorating is an interior design style that brings the warmth, simplicity, and charm of rural countryside living into your home. Here are some vintage country inspired decorating tips to make your home feel even warmer and more charming. Choose traditional lighting. Look for simple pendant lights, ceramic lamps, lantern style fixtures, or fabric shades. Decorate with pictures and jugs. Ceramic pitchers filled with flowers make beautiful country-style centerpieces. Use a farmhouse-style table. A sturdy wooden dining table can become the natural focal point of a country dining room. Add a little vintage artwork. Botanical prints, countryside landscapes, floral paintings, and simple framed illustrations work especially well. Style your kitchen with everyday objects. Wooden cutting boards, ceramic bowls, glass jars, oven baskets, and copper-toned accessories can become part of the decor. Use curtains with personality. Floral, striped, checks, or small patterned curtains can soften windows and add countryside charm. Don't hide every imperfection. Slightly overlaid wood, edged finishes, and gently warm-looking pitches can add character. Create a collected over time look. Mix different woods, ceramics, fabrics, and vintage-inspired objects instead of making everything identical. Create a cozy fireplace area. If you have a fireplace, decorate the mantle with pottery, framed artwork, candles, or seasonal greenery. Use wooden peg rails. Install one in the kitchen, entryway, or bedroom for both decoration and practical storage. Display cutting boards. Lean wooden cutting boards against the kitchen backsplash instead of storing them away. Add a dresser or sideboard. A vintage-style wooden sideboard can provide storage while giving the dining or living room traditional character. Choose simple window treatments. Linen, cotton, gingham, ticking stripes, or small floral curtains work beautifully. Use a vintage-style mirror. An edged wooden or antique-inspired frame can add charm to an entryway, bedroom, or hallway. Decorate with baskets everywhere. Large baskets can hold blankets, while smaller ones can organize towels, magazines, or household items. Make your bed inviting. Layer simple bedding with a quilt, textured throw, and a few comfortable cushions. Create a small herb display. Keep potted herbs such as basil, mint, or rosemary near a bright kitchen window. Decorate with books. Stick a few attractive books on a coffee table, sideboard, or open shelf for a relaxed, lived-in appearance. Include handmade pages, crochet blankets, embroidered cushions, oven baskets, handmade ceramics, and simple crafts add personality. Let wood remain visible. Instead of covering every wooden surface, allow natural wood grain to become part of the room's visual character. Keep decorations useful. Country decorating works particularly well when beautiful objects are also practical. Baskets, pictures, shelves, benches, jars, and wooden trays. Create a focal point with a hutch. Use a wooden hutch to display dishes, pottery, glassware, baskets, and treasured objects. Decorate with pitchers and bowls. Group a few ceramic pitchers, mixing bowls, and serving pitchers together for a relaxed country kitchen look. Use a wooden ladder decoratively. A small decorative ladder can hold blankets or towels while adding rustic character. Add a window seat if possible. A cushioned window bench creates a lovely spot for reading and enjoying natural light. Use cloth napkins at the dining table. Linen or cotton napkins with simple patterns can make everyday meals feel special. Display seasonal flowers. Keep arrangements relaxed rather than perfectly symmetrical. A simple jug of flowers can be enough. Add a cozy blanket basket. Keep a oven basket beside the sofa filled with quilts or straws. Create a charming breakfast corner. A small wooden table, two chairs, a vase of flowers, and a simple pendant light can create a welcoming nook. Make the kitchen feel lived in. Keep a few frequently used items, wooden utensils, mugs, jars, or cutting boards, visible instead of hiding everything. Use traditional wall colors, soft cream, muted shades, dusty blue, warm beige, and gentle earthy shades can create a peaceful backdrop. Mix different wood tones. Country interiors don't have to use one exact wood color. Combining complementary wood finishes can make the room feel naturally collected. Use a few meaningful antiques. An old clock, trunk, cabinet, mirror, or framed page can add more character than filling the room with decorations. Keep some empty space. Country style is about comfortable simplicity. Let your favorite pages breathe instead of covering every surface. Add cottage style details to bathrooms, oven baskets, wooden stools, floral textiles, ceramic containers, and simple framed artwork can soften a bathroom. Make the porch welcoming. If you have a porch, consider a wooden bench, potted plants, lantern style lighting, and a simple outdoor rug. Decorate with wooden crates. Old style crates can become rustic storage for books, blankets, or gardening supplies. Hang a traditional wall clock. A simple round clock can become a practical focal point in a kitchen, dining room, or hallway. Try botanical textiles. Leaf, herb, or botanical patterns are a subtle alternative to more traditional floral prints. Use a vintage style trunk. A wooden trunk can work as a storage, a bedside table, or a decorative accent. Add a kitchen rail. A simple rail with hooks can hold mugs, utensils, or small baskets while giving the kitchen a traditional feel. Use ceramic knobs and handles. Replacing plain cabinet hardware with simple ceramic or traditional style handles can subtly change the character of furniture. The secret is to decorate slowly. Instead of buying everything at once, collect pieces that you love and allow the home to develop its own warm, personal countryside character over time.